Hello, Ms. Katie. We are group number 2, and today in this video we are going to present the Unit 5, Phonology, Principles and Features. This is our group, Basic Principles and Features. Phonology is the branch of linguistics that studies how sounds are organized and used in a language. It focuses on phonemes, which are the smallest units of sounds that can change the meaning of the word. One of the basic principles of phonology is that every language has its own system of sound and rules for combining them. These rules help speakers pronounce words correctly and understand each other.
Well, phonemes are basic sound units, like letters, while alphonemes are different pronunciation of the same sounds. Straight means on syllables is louder in each word, and intonation is the voice going up or down.
Phonological representation is the way the brain stores and organizes the sound of words. It helps us recognize, remember, and produce the sound of language correctly. It is important because it helps us recognize spoken word, pronounce word correctly, remember the sound of word, and learning new vocabulary and read more easily.
Now let's look at why these representations are important for language development. A complete phonological representation also includes rules and how sounds change in context. This is very important for children. If a child has a weak or incomplete store of sounds in their brain, they face too many problems. First, they struggle to speak clearly. Second, the struggle with reading and writing because it is hard to connect letters with the correct sounds. In conclusion, these mental representations are the foundation for us to talk, read, and write every day.
Phonemes and allophones. Phonemes are the basic sounds in a language that can create difference in meaning. For example, the words pat and bat are different because of the change in one sound. This shows that phonemes help us distinguish one word from another. Allophones are variations of the same sound. Even though they are pronounced slightly differently, they don't change the meaning of the word. For instance, the sound P in the word ping is stronger than in spin, but both are still understood at the same sound by native speakers. This topic is very useful because it helps us understand how English sound really work in real communication. It also helps us improve our pronunciation and listening skill, which are essential when learning a new language. In addition, learning about phonemes and allophones allow us to recognize difference in accent and pronunciation patterns without confusing the meaning of words. In conclusion, these concepts are important because they help us produce and understand sounds and making our communication clear and more effective. Thank you so much.